Using Screencast is the easiest way to view your Android phone in a web browser. Let's begin by downloading Screencast from the Google Play Store. To get started, you will need to select your connection method to broadcast your phone screen. You can connect for free when using the same Wi-Fi network as your PC or mobile hotspot. There's also a premium option called Remote Broadcast. This lets you view and control your phone from anywhere, even over mobile data or on a different Wi-Fi. For this demo, we will choose to connect using the free option, same Wi-Fi network as PC. Make sure both your mobile device and your PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Press Start Broadcasting to begin sharing your screen with any web browser. Your phone will request your permission to cast your screen. Select Start Now to continue. Navigate to your PC to open any web browser and enter the URL from your phone. You can now view your phone screen live in your web browser. When you upgrade to Screencast Premium, you can even control your entire phone directly from the web browser using your computer's mouse and keyboard. Tap Purchase to unlock remote control and other advanced Screencast features. Select your preferred subscription plan. Our annual plan offers the best value. Great! You can now enable your phone's accessibility permission to control your phone remotely from any web browser. Need help? Watch our video guide on enabling accessibility permission. Perfect. Once the permission is enabled, you can now control your phone directly from any web browser. Press Enable Keyboard to set up the Screencast keyboard. In your phone settings, find Screencast Keyboard and toggle it on. Go back to the Screencast app and press Switch Keyboard. Select Screencast Keyboard as your input method. Open apps, play games, or give presentations, all controlled from your computer. As another premium feature of Screencast, you can add an extra layer of security by setting a password to authenticate your broadcast. You'll need this password to watch the broadcast. Download Screencast from the Google Play Store. Scan this QR code or search Screencast by DeskShare. Love Screencast? Try our other helpful apps. Scan the QR code to see all our other products.